These are the numbers after that first set.
Look at the attack points of the Philippine Navy. 15, Maynila with only 10. Pero dumikit yan hanggang dulo. Why? Because of the defense wants more of the
Masipag na
lane.
depensa.
Oo, yung Maynilad squad, ano? And of course, ito ring Maynilad squad, okay din yung game nila. A-game din, we can say that. Because they really held on to the finish.
Yes.
But committing 3 consecutive errors in the end and giving that easily to the Navy. To, yun na, sa end game na lang.
Experience prevailing over youth in the first set. Those numbers were brought to you by Maynilad, the official drinking water provider of the Shakey's V.
So far, Bautista, 6 points. Laborte with 5. On the other side, it's Artates and Cases with 4 apiece. Sayang ano, it could have been, alam mo yan, malakas ang laban ng Maynila dun eh.
May iba yung tema ng laro kung nakuha talaga nila yung first set. Instead, Philippine Navy continues to bring out that swagger, that confident look. Serafica, nice setup for Mick Laborte.
And Mick Laborte on this quick hit, as we'll see it once again.
Hinihingi talaga niya eh. Oh, basta napunta dyan sa gitna talaga. And she went for that kill ahead of that challenge doon sa solitary blocker for Maynilad.
Oh, there were actually 3
Hindi nakarating sa
players.
bola, oo.
Oh, there were 3 players in the middle court, pero isa lang ang tumalon, si Mirasol lang for the block. As that trickles in, as cross-court hit there, coming from Maynilad.
If it's fan, family, and pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Ancheta serving right now for Maynilad. Standout from the San Sebastian Stag. Stags, Lady Stags.
Oh, smart play there. Again, that 1-2 combination of Mick Laborte and Nene Bautista working for the Lady Sailors.
Kasi kanina tinitignan ko si Coach Nene Ibanez. Siya ang pinakamatangkad dito sa
Sabi ko nga,
kanyang mga
pumasok.
manlalaro eh.
Niloloko niya nga ako kanina, makintab na yung upuan ko. Palibasa, hindi sanay umupo yung mga yan eh.
Totoo, pag-atleta ka talaga.
Ngayon na lang nababang ko.
Wow!
But
3 blockers, no?
that's right.
Average height, 5'11".
Imagine
Joy Cases
that.
says, no problem.
Oo, tumalo naman ako, 6'5"
Yes.
eh. So, it doesn't matter.
Sana ganyan tayo kataas
Oo
tumalon.
nga.
Mirasol with the rocket. Serafica with the back set to China. Serafica goal to Nene Bautista.
That was well read. Well read.
Block naman na nandun lang na basta lang maganda yung placing. Pero to, bumalik eh. Tinan mo.
That's what you call offensive blocking. So, Lady Dragons, the Water Dragons, Lady Water Dragons ba?
Water Dragons.
Water Dragons.
Kanina, nagsimula yung 3 errors nung Maynila to close out the first set for Philippine Navy. Dun sa service error ni Bonsai Mirasol. Pero ngayon, safely getting that ball up. Oops! Sa pool, si Mick Laborte. Tuloy pa rin ang laro. Hawak sa panga si Mick. Bautista. Oh, good save by Galido.
Still playable.
Oh, left hand call from Bautista. Ball pa. Hawak sa panga ulit. Bautista. Negative point. Hawak sa panga ulit si Mick Laborte. Checking.
Is it still there?
Yes.
It's all intact. Together.
Checking. Sabi naman ng kanyang kasama.
Si Mayi
Mayu
Progina.
Pachina, my bad. Na left jab kita.
Volleyball ka pala to.
Hawak sa banga pa rin si Mick Laborte bago mag-serve. Pasok naman. Cases receiving. Guliman with that running hit. Serafica going to Nene Bautista. Yan, ininis na niya.
And knowing that Artates and Goliman was right in front of her, went for an angle. And tama naman because she scores the point.
The Lady Pirates connection. Works in a twosome to try and take away that finish from Nene Bautista. 4-3, second set. Ay,
Joy Cases with the bomb.
hindi mo siya pwedeng hindi markahan talaga dahil tinan mo naman. Combination play.
And then,
May blockers naman eh.
that's true. And right in the middle pa nga
Ang
pinadaan.
taas niya kunin yung bola eh, no? Cases serving. Serafica to Sue Roses against a solitary blocker. Roses prevailing. 5-4. second set.
The experience of Ross is just too much for a single block.
Nene Bautista.
Oh, that's going to be long.
Ay, gusto lang natin batiin si kaibigang Noel 5 sets sa rate. Sana ay huwag
Nag-improve din.
tayong pasahan ng kanyang masipag na pagmamatsyag sa bawat laro dito sa B-League. Oh, a floater of a serve. Clipped the net. Went over.
Oh,
Oh!
that's going to be wide.
Yung error counts for Navy. Napakataas. 7 kanina doon sa first set. Bye-bye to that score. 6-5 for Maynilad. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League.
So far in the dig department, you have Rosses with 4, Galido with 2, Mangi with 4, and Aison with 2. So, yung mga libero, tigda-dalawa lang, pero si Mangi at saka to si Roses, mas marami pa, double the digs
Kailangan
of their
talaga.
liberos.
Ito, ang laban dito sa larong to, sipag, no?
True.
Gumawa again. Oh, they like that point. Yung gripo ng Maynilad. Non-stop.
Tuloy-tuloy.
Gripo ng Maynilad. Magandang flow ng tubig, oh.
And only one blocker in Cruzada on that last play. Susan now entering for Cruzada, for Cecil Cruzada.
Alam mo, slowly but surely, the other teams, no, yung mga ibang koponan aside from the military teams, slowly but surely adapting to the level of competition. Another communication.
Oh, simple volleyball.
3-point advantage for Maynilad here in the second set. 8-5, first technical timeout.